Well, I'd like to pay tribute to the work of INFRA Skills in delivering the new skilled workforce that we need for the rail sector. There is going to be a huge opportunity in the rail industry in the years to come. There are many people in the workforce currently who are ageing and have a huge amount of skills that they want to pass on to the next generation, but we need to get that new pipeline of talent. We need to bring more people into the sector, and therefore INFRA Skills has a real role to play in that, in skilling up the next generation to take over those roles and to help support an expanding workforce need. HS2 is now the largest infrastructure project in Europe. We're already employing over 20,000 people, and just over the next few years that will increase to 34,000 people just to deliver Phase 1 and Phase 2A. So it's really important that we get that skill talent pipeline, allowing projects like HS2, Northern Powerhouse Rail, Transpennine Route Upgrade to move forward. We won't be able to deliver these projects without the skills, so skills is critical to everything we're doing. HS2 is about dramatically increasing the capacity of our existing rail network. We are going to free up the capacity for the existing network at the same time as connecting the largest cities across the country. This will be a step change in the ability of people to commute between our economic powerhouses, and you can already see here in Birmingham the transformation that is being delivered, with businesses relocating from London to Birmingham and jobs being created across the city. Apprenticeships are a great way into any sector, but particularly into rail. Unfortunately, because of COVID-19, we've seen a dip in the number of people starting an apprenticeship, but we're really keen to see those numbers grow in the next few years. The HS2 programme alone is already supporting 650 apprentices. That will grow to over 2,000 apprentices at peak construction. So apprenticeships are an absolutely fantastic way to start your career, and I would encourage many people to look at the apprenticeship route.